Wednesday again, which means it is time for half off day at the Salvation Army. This week, due to other appointments and just a bunch of stuff that has to get done, we're only going to one. It's about 9:30 in the morning, so we're going to the one closest to us, and we're going to go inside and see what we can find. Let me flip this around so you can see where we're at. Salvation Army! Alright, here we are in my favorite section, other than Plush. Let's see if we can find any good brands this week. This is actually a really good plus size brand typically, but this particular pair is only a size 12, which isn't really a plus size. And for $4, I'm going to pass. I used to do really well with this brand. I used to be able to get 30 to 40 bucks for it. In fact, I'm actually going to take these with me and comp them. Let's see what they're going for nowadays. I know that they've kind of gone down in value as people love to race to the bottom. But we'll comp them and see. And look what I just found! $3.50. Alright guys, I will be back with more footage as I find more stuff. Oh, look at this. Again, who told the Salvation Army that their Lucky Brand jeans are so valuable? Every pair is like $20 and more. This is something I would normally snatch up right away. But, you see what I'm saying? That is a lot of puckering and damage to contend with, and alright, now we're over in the men's section. I'll go through the jeans on this side. It's always so much quieter and less crowded in the men's section. You ever notice that when you're out there thrifting? Yeah, I got a handful of jeans. I'm throwing my hangers on the floor. I'll pick them up, I promise. I got a handful of jeans over in the women's section. A couple of them I'm gonna have to comp before we get up to the checkout. But I'm hopeful that I'm getting a good handful of stuff this week. Now, on to the shirts. You guys, I found some exciting jeans over in the men's section. I wasn't sure about them. You guys ever seen something and you're like, for some reason that brand sounds familiar or deja vu, but I'm not sure if I've ever really heard of it? Well, I comped them, and the sell-through rate's really good. And they go for about 40 bucks, so pretty excited. Just like last week, I'll take everything home and do a haul video or two or whatever for you guys, and we'll go over what I got. Talk about why we make the choices we make when we're outsourcing. A lot goes into play, not just the comps, but the cost of goods, the sell-through rate, all that good stuff. Alright, not really finding so much over here, but we'll keep looking. Alright, now comes the time where we look everything over, make sure there's no stains, no rips, tears, damage, and anything that we're kind of iffy about or unsure about, we'll go ahead and comp. And then once everything's looked over and we make sure that we're positive we want everything, we'll take it up front and pay for it. Alright, final pile. 3 men's shirts and 4 or 5 pairs of jeans. I'm putting 1 pair of jeans back and Keith took a couple shirts back. So I'll show you guys, I always get so super excited when I find these. Alright. So, get these home, get the haul video up for you guys. tomorrow, hopefully. If not, sometime Friday or this weekend. So usually what Keith and I will do is take all the hangers off, and then we fold the clothes so that they're like in a nice pile and the price tag is out. So when we get up there, we can just hand the hangers to the cashier, and then they can just take our pile and kind of flip through and look at the prices real quick. It makes it quicker for us, which is convenient obviously, but it's also a nice gesture towards the cashiers. And you know, I like to be nice to people. Do what I can. Be a nice reseller. Hey guys, so we are back at home with our small haul that we came home with. We only got 9 items. We ended up paying $31.94 for all 9, which averages out to a cost of $3.55 per item. We are being a lot more choosy now that our cost of goods has gone up, since we don't have 99-cent days here in Florida the way we did in Pittsburgh. So we're coming home with less, but I think we're coming home with overall better quality of items and higher average sale prices. Robert Graham. Now this is one that is more plain. It is embossed. You can kind of see the pattern on it. It doesn't have any of the really loud pictures or graphics that a lot of Robert Grahams do have. Does not really have the flip cuff. It does have a nice design on the edge, but a lot of Robert Grahams have these flip cuffs with different prints or whatever. But it's still a really nice Robert Graham shirt. It has nice buttons that shine. It's a large, and we paid $4 for it. I'll have to comp it. I haven't sold a Robert Graham in a minute, but I'd say probably 25, 30, because it's plain. This is a Boxery Uomo, and so it was $3.50 on the half off day. It is a size 17, so it is an actual dress shirt because it has the neck size on the tag, and it's 100% cotton. 17 is equivalent to about a large or an extra large in standard US sizes. They do have charts online where you can look that up if you ever need to. Just Google it. In fact, I'll probably add one to the album in my group with the helpful photos and stuff. If you don't know what I'm talking about, if you're not part of our group on Facebook, you should join. It's Flippin Hippos Reseller Pod. There's an album in the photos that has just a ton of resources on different patterns and styles of dresses and shirts and size charts and all kinds of cool stuff. This is a nice crest on it too. So that was a nice find. Probably about $35. True Religion t-shirt for $2.50. Men's red t-shirt. The last time I sold a True Religion t-shirt, it went for about $25, I think. It's been a minute. This is a large. And then we have one more shirt here. This is a gamble. It's Italian couture Antonio Arcini. We did look it up while we were in the store, and we couldn't really find anything in this brand. But it is a double XL, which is a plus. We did pay $4 for it. It's a gamble, like I said. But it is a double XL, like I said, super good size, and it is a nice shirt. Look at this. Nice material, button front. It's got a lot of detail in these panels here. There's like lace and shimmery shine. I might even, just for the time being, and hopefully it'll sell before the new year. Hopefully it'll go pretty quick. I might put party or New Year's Eve or something in the keywords. And then if it doesn't sell, I can always change it after the new year. These buttons are pretty good too. I don't know if you can see. It won't focus, but there's like little faces on the button. There you go. You can see it now. But yeah, something like this nice. This goes to the holidays. I definitely will put New Year's Eve party or cocktail party or something in the title to try to get it to move. Somebody is looking for a nice shirt for their festivities. So now we're going to get into the jeans. We just got a couple pairs of jeans and a couple shirts. 4 shirts and 5 jeans if we're adding here. These are Levi's 502 regular taper. So the thing with Levi's, I tell you guys all the time, you've got to comp them. If you haven't memorized every single line that Levi's has, which even I haven't done, you've got to comp them. Some Levi's are like standard Walmart Levi's that you can get at Walmart and Target, and they go for $20 or less on eBay. And some like this will go for a lot more. I did comp these, and I was looking at like $35 or $40. So I also had another one that was like a $7.31 or a $7.11, and I comped those, and people were selling them for $18 to $20. So those ones went back. You guys saw me kind of hesitate on these when I came across them on the rack. I used to flip these for $35 and $40 all the time, and I wasn't sure if they were still valuable. So I took them with me, and I sat down and comped them, and yeah, I'm still going to list them for about $40. So this is a size 16. It has the ab technology, which is like the lift tuck from Not Your Daughter's jeans, if you're familiar with those, or like the slimming on the Chico So Slimming. Any jeans that have this kind of stretchy material, shaping, slimming, anything like that, you want to grab. Next, we have a pair of silver jeans. You guys know it's my favorite. These are the Aco boot cuts. $3.50. A 30 by 33 size. I was excited because usually silver jeans are always going to be priced a little bit higher. So I was, expecting any I found to be starting at $9.99 and pay $5 for. So paying $3.50 is awesome. I will start these around $40 and hope they go over full price, but more likely than not, I will accept the best offer of $30 or $35 on them. Haven't seen these in a long time, guys. Wax jeans, but I love you, spelled with 2 T's. So these are shaping as well. There's these wax jeans, but I love you, and then there's jeans by YMI called Wanna Better Butt. If you see them and the price is right, snatch them up. I only paid $1.50. I would not pay $5 for these or anything outrageous, but $1.50 is absolutely worth it. You can see they're a very small size, so they're going to ship first class, and they are size 1. Anytime I've had the But I Love Yous or the Wanna Better Butts, they don't stay in the store any longer than a week. They fly right off the shelves. They flip for about $18 to $20, maybe a little bit more, and they ship first class. So if you can get them for like, $1.50, it's a really quick return on your investment. And again, if you find any jeans or women's clothing ever that's shaping or slimming in any capacity, I always say get them because a lot of women look for that. These are men's. This is a brand I kind of mentioned in the thrifting part of the video. I saw the brand and it kind of clicked something in my head. Like, I feel like I should know that brand. I feel like I've heard of it. I wasn't sure. So I went ahead and comped them. Now they have some damage on the back tag, which is fine. I'll just disclose it. Paid $5 for this pair. Going to start them around $45, I believe. I'm going to look a little bit more when I actually go to list them. Like do more in-depth comp and maybe look at like the average prices on Terapeak because these are a size 48. So if other Sean John men's jeans that, are 32s and 36s are going for $45, mine are size 48, so I might want to go up even higher, like 50 maybe. You can always charge more for these bigger sizes, absolutely. And these have super cool pockets. They have like claws at the bottom. They're cool. So yeah, keep that in mind too when you're comping. when you're listing your items and you're looking up prices. If you're looking up, say, a brand of jeans and you're seeing, oh, you know, on average they go for about $30, but then you notice that yours are like a couple sizes bigger, or you have a plus size or something, you can always charge a little bit more because you have a bigger size. And you can always charge more for men's than you can women's. My general rule is like $5. So like the Old Navy and the Gaps and the American Eagles that I don't even really comp anymore, I pretty much, as a general rule, start all women's of those brands at 20, maybe 22 or 23 if there's something unique about them or they're a plus size. And men's, I start at 25. So keep that in mind. Your size, what an item looks like, if it's men's, those are all factors that can come into play to allow you to charge a couple more bucks or list it for a couple more bucks. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up before you leave, guys. It really helps the channel. And do join our Facebook group. Again, it's Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. It's a really great group full of really great resellers from the community. Until next time, go be productive, go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.